Helicopters, crawlers, and planes are from the Pacific Northwest. We do our first water spool test with the Blade 238-2. Got her custom boats I made for her today. Cost $23. Anybody can make them. So right now I'm going to set her in the water. Already did a balance and buoyancy test. I'm going to set her in the water and spool her up and see how she acts. And we'll go from there. Alright, so here we go. Okay, the wind's pretty light, and that's really good. Water's really calm, also good. Now, from previous experience, tendencies for the helicopter to want to go backwards as the rotors, as she builds up a speed on the rotors, and until she starts gaining some lift. So we expect that to be the situation now. We're going to find out in a minute here. So we'll set her in the water, folks. We're going to put her this way. We're going to expect her to have some back travel. Right now we just want to see how she acts. Spooling. Here we go. Ready? Got to be on your, see what I mean? She's going back to the back. She looks well balanced. Actually, no, she needs to go. I need to fix the balance on her. If you look here, you can see she's leaning to the left a fair amount. And that'll cause her not to act right. So we're going to go ahead and move the helicopter to the right a little bit. And that'll solve that problem. Theoretically, folks. Alright. Okay, that ought to do right there. Now let's see how she's doing right now. Now let's see how she's doing. Okay. That looks better. Alright. So let's try this again. I'm going to turn her around this way. See what she does. Alright. I'll put a little forward collective on her, but not much. She still wants to go to the right a lot. As you can see. I'm not sure what that is, so we'll go ahead and push her up a little bit more. Now she's going forward. She goes. Alright, our first successful liftoff with this helicopter with her new floats. Super sweet. Super sweet, folks. Super sweet. That went really well, folks. For a first liftoff with a helicopter with floats on it, that went really, really well, folks. Really well. Celebration loop, or circuit, celebration circuit. Okay, next thing we got to do is do a landing on the water, don't we? Yeah. Do a landing on the water here. Alright, here we go. This has got to be good, folks. This has got to be real good. Here we go, ready? Got to be better than that. Here we go. Into the wind. Wind's picking up. There we go, folks. Look at that. Woo-hoo-hoo. There she goes, second liftoff after a landing. Super nice. Super nice. That was great, folks. That was great. Alright. Wow, what a successful test flight. Now we'll just do a little cruising around here. There's people, so we gotta just really stay over the lake, which is fine. She loves it over the lake. Alright, folks. Super successful test flight. Yeah, baby. Super successful test flight. Comes. That was great. That was way better than I was expecting. Once you learn how to fly the copter, just like when you take off from the ground, first the copter wants to move a little bit to the right, usually then left, then forward, then back. And you watch that as you're spooling up to counteract it. On the float, you do the same thing. Alright, so we're going to come in here and land now. I think it's clear. Yeah, clear right now. Clear. We'll go out here just in case. Come over this way. Alright, folks, look at that. Wow. Wow. More celebration circuits, folks. Woo-hoo. Oh, that was fun! Woohoo! Alright, well, folks, the Blade 230S Bushcopter conversion with custom do-it-yourself floats. We've done full testing now. Full testing. Full testing. We just did a spool test. That went good. And we learned enough from that to do a lift-off test, which we did twice. That went great. And then we did one landing, which also went pretty great. So there you go. Look at it. Ain't she beautiful? Blade 230S V2. What a dreamboat of a helicopter she is. What a dreamboat of a helicopter she is. I forgot to set my timer in the excitement, so I'm going to go ahead and bring her in for landing now, folks. Over here. Landed in wind, and we want to find a nice dry spot. I mean, level. This looks pretty good right here. Alright, folks. Oh, boy. You know what? I never started my goddamn camera on my head, did I? I never did. Did I? Oh, I thought I did. Yes, I did. Sorry for that. Sorry for the swearing now, folks. For a minute, I was really mad at myself. I thought I hadn't turned on my camera, but I did.